Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can record sounds on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. In order to do that, we need to use a voice recording app that should be installed by default in this app, on this device. So we need to open the app drawer, go to Samsung folder, and over here you should find voice recorder. Now once you go here, you should have something like this, and what you need to do in order to start recording the audio is you need to press on this red button over here at the bottom of the screen. You might be asked to grant some access to files, to microphone, etc. So you can allow pretty much everything except for the notification. You don't really need to receive notifications by the voice recorder. However, if you want to, then of course you can still allow it. And of course, in the meantime, we are recording, and if you want to stop, then you can press this square button. This is how we can stop it. Then we can name our recording how we want. We can even select the category and create a new category if you want to, and then press save. And over here we can see the list immediately after saving the recording. Over here we'll find the list of all recordings that we have made. If you want to get access to that list, you can also press list over here in the top right corner. You can also press on these three dots in order to go to trash. So if you remove something, then over here you will find it. You can also use speech to text, so you can talk while recording yourself in order to create text memos, let's say, right? And if you want to remove a recording, then you can simply press and hold it, and then over here you have several options, including delete all. It says delete all because I have only one item over here. But if you have more than one and you select only one, then of course you can delete just one. You can also move to secure folder, add to favorite, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!